Ayambemba abwe batero boba na kipeni ane mpasiko ane kumputu mambu mabalu kiri jampu kitabu kiri amunderita sukiri yeah. Kiri kumakui kuikwenda mambu masaki kumputukia mpu kitabu kilibaya ya bisukiri
ya memba mambo nkame ya memba Yesu bisukiri mama poka
beno bale kibimbanga bisaki kumputu minderi baba tukidi kulondi kia mpu kibui baya ya bisukiri
ya memba mambo nkame ya memba Yesu bisukiri mama ponga
abayai malimwangazi wike yanga batase wanguri pindi tamangwana wiko ganda kabawaku wike yanga mbimba kabo bana wiko ganga mbimba kabo bana kiri kumakuiri kuikwenda mambu masakiri kumputukia mpu kitabu kibaya ya bisukiri
ya memba mambo nkame ya memba Yesu bisukiri mama ponga
abale yeah. Amenu Madagascar. Yeah. Julio Rack from Madagascar, s'il vous plaît. Oh yeah. Mariaya, Maringwakati, wike yanga batasea, makuri mbindi, tamangwana, wiko ganga kabawaku. Yambemba, yambemba. Kundu kiri kumakuiriri, kuikwenda mambu masakiri, kumbutu kiampu kitabuki, bayai, lukwa lungandi.
Yambemba, mambu nkame ya memba Yesu bisukiri mama ponga Maria memba lukale Maria memba lukale Maria memba lukale
Unalefu
Maria memba lukale
Makelekele
Maria memba lukale
Unaboku
Maria memba lukale
kuna boku
Maria memba lukale
mama kuna ntona mbata
Maria memba lukale
ukisantu kuna levu
Maria memba lukale
au mangiringa
Maria memba lukale
kuna boku yaya
Maria memba lukale
Maria memba lukale
Maria memba lukale
kuna ngiringa
Maria memba lukale
kuna boku
Maria memba lukale Maria memba lukale Maria memba lukale
Valérie.
Bariam ben balutale.
Pour vous, mesdames et mesdemoiselles.
Bariam ben balutale.
Isabelle Gonzalez.
Bariam ben balutale.
Parce qu'on est en Europe, hein, c'est la femme d'abord.
Bariam ben balutale.
Kuna beaucoup.
Bariam ben balutale.
Mama kuna ntona bata.
Bariam ben balutale.
Ukisantu kuna lemfu.
Bariam ben balutale.
Kuna ngiringa.
Bariam ben balutale.
Kukipa kuyaya.
Bariam ben balutale.
Selembao, kitoki mosi.
Bariam ben balutale. Bariam ben balutale.
Moussa, Burkina Faso.
Bariam ben balutale. Bariam ben balutale.
Colin Laroche, France. Quel mélange. Et le chef du groupe qui aime faire beaucoup de bruit, les abracadabra. Emile Biayenda from Congo Brazza. Et nous sommes du même clan. Il est mon Congo, moi aussi je suis mon Congo. La langue que nous chantons, c'est le Kikongo, qui va du Gabon, Congo Brazza, Congo Kinshasa et l'Angola. Cela ne veut pas dire que nous sommes régionalistes. C'est la culture. Et voilà le Mangwana Band international. Yeah. Kuna beaucoup. Mama, kuna ntona mbaka. Ukisantu kuna lefu. Yambula luwezo Konterado Kumenga mamosi Kikundi kajenwa Yonge tenda Denta vokupele Sije mwendo Mokena yenda compadre Lindu kakanda Toma fukila Oke wa Uko tumukide uzowa Badanga nandenda Kemanta didiko Mayala lele Atuzola ziana Compadre, a tu sola siana. Saluisa silange kanda vene kwa menda. Monterado, te wada kile tumbadi tuzola ziana. Kintuka makanda, kete kiasikila makuku matatu. Kutusale, kenda wele kwa niyaya. Wapopila bandongi yaya. Wanyi kakangula. Wapopila bandongi yaya. Wanyi kakangula. Tuzola ziana. Eto mawila anga matamu. Kieni kamwenga yeah.
Kembote. Hello.
Kembote.
Kembote Tata David. Tata Ale,
Kembote.
okay. Kembote, how are you?
Good.
Good. Thank you very much for time. Thank you very much for making it here. Tutondele. Let us greet the audience. Kembote, hello. Welcome. This is Gikongo class. We are here every Sunday. 5 UK hours. Tutondele. I hope you can. My voice. I mean, my mic is fine. Yes, I hope so. Yeah. Okay. Tutondele. Recap Tatale. We're going back to present continuous. I'm going to Mbanza, Congo.
Okay.
I'm going to Mbanza, Congo.
Kuna Mbanza Congo. Kuna Mbanza Congo itakwenda.
Bravo, yes. Tata David, I live in Mbanza, Congo. So Tata Ale was continuous. Now you, Tata David, for you, it is present. How do you say? Present tense. Yeah. I live in Mbanza, Congo.
Yes, if I can remember the word for to live.
Zinga, sorry. The verb is zinga, sorry. The verb is zinga, yes. Sorry.
Zinga, okay. Let's see. Mbanza, Congo, Kilinga.
Yeah, your first your pronoun, yes. Your first person.
Ilinga.
Tata said ita continuous. Then for present tense, you just drop the ta, the ta.
Oh, okay. So
Kumbanza Congo Izinga.
Kumbanza Congo Izinga.
Izinganga. Remember?
I remember the nganga part at the end.
Present tense, your infinitive plus nga, yes? You keep the verb as it is, I mean the infinitive, then just add nga. Kumbanza Congo itakwenda, Kumbanza Congo izinganga. But you could say zinganga, but we'll make it is zinganga.
Kumbanza Congo
izinganga.
Ibinganga.
Zinganga, yes. It yeah. Oh, I've answered my questions. Okay. Okay, over to you. What's the question? Okay, to drink. Let's go to drink. Tata David. I'm drinking palm wine.
Okay.
Remember your object.
Yes. Yeah, I'm having a bit of a memory problem this morning about.
No worry, my love. I mean, my love is generic. My love, but to be specific.
To be any kind of wine.
Sorry, palm wine is tamba. You can say tamba.
Tamba.
And tamba, NS here, tamba. Carry on, please. I'm drinking tamba. I'm drinking palm wine.
Okay. I do recall that jia is to eat, but I don't remember the verb for drink.
No. Noa.
Okay.
So first your verb, your object, then your pronoun.
Right.
We're talking continuous, so you have e, then you add something. Add ta, yeah.
Let's see.
Tamba, your object, tamba.
Yeah.
Tamba, yes.
And I'm sorry, to drink once again.
Noa. N-W-A.
Okay.
Noa.
Tamba inwa.
Itanwa. You ing is your ta, itanwa, yes. Remember, in Kikongo, noir to drink, and your mouth is noir as well. So, okay. Any questions? Totally. No,
no question. No question.
Yeah, let me just have to. Maybe I'm sure people are following us. Let's just try to display it. As you know, my duty is try to simplify. That is not easy. Not easy. Okay, I'll leave the okay. That should be okay. Okay. These are your personal pronoun. Not tonic, because tonic are mono ngeye yandi. Yeah, totally. Tonic mono ngeye yandi yeto son. Yeah, remember this. Yeah.
Yep.
This is the singular. First, second, and third singular. David, can you tell me the plural? We, you, many, them.
Yeto, yeno, yao, or yewo.
Yeah, bravo, but good answer, but well, how should I put it? Good answer. No, you are. My question is wrong. No? Good answer, but to the wrong question. Oh, you could say the other way around. Are you with me? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm here. So I'm trying to. Okay.
No, good question, but how do you put it? My question was person pronoun, not the tonic. Your answer is correct, but it's a tonic. I want the normal, a standard. If you could call it
okay. Ame, aku, andi, eto, eno, awu.
You're going too far the time. Person pronoun E, U, and K. These are first singular, second singular, third singular.
Oh,
so your first plural will be the usual one. T, yeah. T.
Oh. So
well done.
You're reaching for Tuluba.
Yeah. Well done. Yeah. Confused.
So we're calling those the personal pronouns, not the tonic, right?
The tonic are monongeye.
Okay.
Yeah, how to say it? Monongeye. Then we have Yandi. From Yandi, it is easy because we have. Just remember your ameako, because from Yandi, prefix is Y. You have your Andi, Eto, Enoako. Because it is correct. You could say Yeto or Beto, yes? That one that's why it's very critical to remember the ameaku. We call them suffixes. Yeah, suffixes, yes. Is it clear? Yeah. I'm trying to simplify. Just get this. Don't worry about the other aspect. As long as we're good on this one, it should be okay. I itakwenda izingilanga. Me first person. Utakwenda. You are going. Second person. You. Could be K-I, but just remember A. Because when we're talking about technical language, Kikongo, from Banza Congo, third person, they use A. I'm talking Kikongo A, yes? Am I confused? Is it confusing? No, okay. Let me just. You did well, you said it. Itakwenda, utakwenda, katakwenda. Look at the screen. Your bottom left, yeah?
Yeah, I see.
Itakwenda. I want to make Izinganga, yeah, just keep it, yeah. Izinganga, Uzinganga, Kazinganga. It could be Kazinganga or Azinganga. No, not Azinganga, but could use just A. Then Tuzinganga, Luzinganga, Bazinganga, yeah, Bazinganga. Yes? Yeah. You're okay on this one. You should be proud of yourself. Yes. Remember, our motto is little but.
Malembe, Malembe.
Well done, Malembe. Little but mustard, yes?
Mm-hmm.
The beach you know, you done, it is Kikongo. We just learned the core stuff, yes? Yeah, we're there. Okay. Let me try to display. When you say continuous, itakwenda, utakwenda, katakwenda, tutakwenda, lutekwenda, batekwenda, going. Static, I live in Banza, Congo. Kumbanza Congo, zinganga. Kumbanza Congo, uzinganga, you. Kumbanza Congo, kazinganga. But if you go to 19th century Congo from Banza Congo, you could say just A, azinganga. But we keep K, kazinganga. Okay. Go first plural. First plural. Kumbanza Congo, tuzinganga, luzinganga, bazinganga. Okay. Today, before we go to a talk, we're learning. I think we did it. It was very quick. We're going back to the verb to be. Yes.
Okay.
Shakespeare. To be or not to be. Yeah. Not to be. Okay.
This is a bad moment for me to be walking away, but I do need to walk away for 5 minutes.
I know. You told me.
I'll be back.
No worries.
Thank
No
you.
worries. Yeah, no worries. Yes. What did I say? Hey, I'm trying to display my screen. Yes, this one. Basically, verb kala, it is to be. To have kala ye.
Kala ye.
Yeah. Kambote tata.
Kimote Tata. Mpanzu.
Mavimpi, you're right.
Oh yeah, all is well. How's everything with you?
Yeah, good, thank you. Where's our sister?
Oh yeah, she got in late last night, so she won't be able to make it.
Okay, no worry. We just a recap. Going back to recap here, going back to the usual stuff. Yes. Just going back to help that we went back to present continuous. If I say, let me just try to test you anyway. This.
Oh man, I just got here.
Yeah, no let up, Okay. Remember, continuous. Your ink is TA. So let me just try to display. Where is it? No, I can't do it now. Okay. No, I could. Actually, I could. Yeah. Yes. Basically, your personal pronoun. Can you see bottom left, the screen, bottom left? EU, yes. EUA.
But well, yeah.
Yeah. These are the singular personal pronoun. EUA. Could be K, K. Or E. Just remember EUA. Yeah. Just want to make sure you got it. Yeah. This is the main thing. Little but mustard. Malim bitu kwendila. Can you translate me? Malim bitu kwendila.
Slowly.
Yeah, Quenda. We're going, yeah.
Yeah, so
we're going.
we're going. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we're going, yeah. Yes. So, where was I? So, I'm talking about personal pronoun, singular, EUA. Then plural, tuluba, tu for we, lu for you many, ba, be, them. Are you all right? Yes.
Yeah, I'm just
Yeah.
looking at the
So,
paper.
yeah. So, present continuous, E is there. Look on bottom left. You got your E. Present continuous for my I. By coincidence, I as in I am. Yeah. I. So you add TA at the end instead of I for continuous. Be careful. Get this. Present continuous. Your TA is your ink. Going. When I say itakwenda, I mean I'm going. If I say izinganga, I live here. I live. Are you okay, Tataru? Yes.
Yeah, I'm just looking at
No. I don't want you to look on the note at your note. Just make sure that.
oh, okay.
No, don't look at the note because otherwise you will never go ahead. Just try to use your own brain. Yes.
Yeah.
So we got two luba for the future. Future. I mean plural. Two we, lu, you many, ba, them, obey. So how do you say I'm going? You just add TA. You go to your bottom left. You can see your verb, your person pronoun. Yes. How do you say I'm going? Kwenda is go to go. Don't look at your. Don't look at. Don't look at your notes. Yeah. You just want to exercise your brain. I'm sure you know that. We've been for a long time looking at our notes. It does not help a lot. Yeah, it does not help you. So you go to your E. So just add TA, yes, for going. Kwenda is going. So I'm going Kumbanza Kongo Itakwe. I'm answering my question. See, I end up answering my question. I'm going to Mbanza Congo. How do you say it in Congo?
Is that
Kumbanza Congo, yeah? Your first thing.
oh, two Banza. Okay.
Kumbanza Congo. Kumbanza Congo.
Did you say ku or two?
No. I'm going to Mbanza Congo. So your object, yeah? Remember Kumbanza Congo. The reason we're using KU is because it is a destination. Kuna. Ku is short for Kuna. Kuna Mbanza Congo, yeah? Go ahead. Kuna Mbanza Congo.
To be honest with you, without that paper, Kubanza.
No, just follow me. Just say it. Kunambanza Congo, Kumbanza Congo, yeah?
Kubanza Congo.
Yes. So this is your destination, the place, Banza Congo. Now, first your destination or your object. Second, your personal pronoun. Look at
Would that be Lou?
Bottom left, that's you. I'm going. Itakwenda. Kumbanza Congo, Itakwenda. Can you say it, please? Kumbanza Congo, Itakwenda.
Kubanza Congo.
Kubanza Congo Itakwenda.
Kubanza Congo Itakwenza.
Yes. So from the screen you can see E. I'm reading Congo. E is your personal pronoun, but because it is present continuous, I just add TA. Itakwenda, utakwenda, katakwenda, lutakwenda, utakwenda, so on. Yes. To the question totally.
No.
Okay. Don't worry, we're going next time. We're going back to that because I don't mind. We need to just make sure we got it. Tata David, thank you very much for coming back. Question, Tata David.
Okay, so
yeah.
you have sent this one to us, haven't you, Kala?
No, I went back to where we were. I went back to Itakwenda for Tata yes.
Mm-hmm.
Are you okay with that, Tata David? Yes.
Yes.
Present continues. You go to E, I, U by coincidence U, K I K, him her, tu luba. Remember the formula for plural? Plural. Yes. Tu we lu you many ba be them. Okay, we have to move on. Sorry.
Right.
Where were we? Okay, we have the verb to be. To be or not to be. To be is kala. Kala to be. Kala is there. Can you see that? Yeah. On my slides. Yeah, kala. And guess what?
Yeah.
To have is tetale.
Well, you want me to translate?
No. The verb to be is kala.
Yes, yes.
What's the verb to have?
Kale?
No. Sorry, confusing. You keep the as it is kala, then you just add
Oh, I thought
kala.
you
Kala ye.
Kala. Oh, it was Kala. Yeah. Okay.
You keep kala ye. Remember when we were learning numbers? If I say makumole is a tens, 20. Makumole ye. Then one says 22. Makumole ye zole, meaning makumole ye and so bon. Not really exactly the same good illustration, but you. I'm sure you understand what I'm trying to say. Kala ye. Okay. Question, Tata David.
No.
Kala ye. Thing to remember. Just want to get this thing to remember. I'm just trying to highlight something, something regular, something recurring, if you could say that. Can you see Tuluba? We always say Tuluba, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Plural, no worries. Even on singular, some kind of almost same pattern. E is there, yeah, and the end, yes? E, U, K, U, here, K. At least we have some pattern. Any question?
No, I don't have any questions.
Yes, Kala, where is it? Kala is there. Kala, verb to be. Kala, space, yeah. Be careful, it's not one word, yes? Tell me.
Yeah. So I have a quick question. So, because when you said Kala ye, that's just I have. Then
To have, yes. To have.
oh, that's it. Oh, to have. Okay, I got it. Okay, to have. Okay.
To have, yes. Yeah, to have, yes. Avoir.
Okay, got it.
The French will say yes. To have. Kala ye. Just remember Kala. Kala is to be.
Mm-hmm.
Kala space ye. It is your have. So once again, I, U, K, some similar pattern, yeah. Then I tuluba tata. Let me just try to highlight this.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sure tata you are fine with this, yes. This one, yeah. Tata, yeah. This is plural. Luluba. We, two, lu many, lu you many, be could be beba. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Are we clear on this one?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yes, because our motto is Malemale Mitu Kwendila. Can you help us to translate? Malemale Mitu Kwendila.
Slowly, slowly, we're going.
Yes.
Wow, you're pretty good.
We just make sure the little small we have, little we know, it is mastered. Yes.
Yes.
This is the most important thing. Okay. Kala, pay attention, please, because there is a transformation here. Tata David. There's no connection. When you conjugate the verb, there's no connection.
So did I understand you correctly that Kala Ye is spelled as two words?
Correct, yeah. Kala space ye, yes.
Okay.
To have. Kala, single, just Kala, it is to be. So pay attention, there's a transformation from let me try to that David, you said last time, you know? Remember, this is your infinitive. Then look at transformation, yeah? Can you see that? Yeah.
Yes.
Let's find the fun part of here. Ngina, una. Some people will say kena, wena. No, kena. Some people say kena, yeah. Or wena, even wena. But just stick with this one. Don't worry about the other. Stick with this. This what I did at school. When I given two options, just stick with one. You don't worry about the other. Let's memorize this one. Yeah, Tatane, yes? Una. Tatane.
Yes, sorry, yes.
Yeah, just remember your first person in Guinea, second, third are the same Una, yes? Some people will say Kena, it could be Kena, but look at the pattern here. No change, basically no change. You have your Tuluba, yes? Tuluba is there. Questions? Basically, the main pattern, it is one. Talent, yes? No. Gina, una, tuna, luna, bena. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah, Gina, una, third singular, tuna, luna. When I ask you, Lunama Vimpi, I mean, is there? Yes, can you see that? Lunama Vimpi is there. Lunama Vimpi. Let's address a question. Yeah, Ginama Vimpi. Yes, I'm fine. Ginama Vimpi. Yes, Ginama Vimpi, I'm fine. Not only I have money.
I have money.
Yes, money is Nzimbu. Yes,
Nzimbu. Okay. Ngin. Is it Nzimbu Ngina or Ngina Nzimbu?
You go verb first, please.
Okay. I have, but there it says I am though.
That's a text. Yeah, that's what I'm texting you. Yeah, I'm texting you that. Remember, verb to be is Kala, verb to have is Kala. Yeah, that's what I'm asking you. I have.
So is it Nginaye Nzimbu?
Bravo, yeah, go ahead. Yeah, you done, yeah. Nginaye Nzimbu. Remember, we're going for the easiest, the simple bit, yeah? Option, yes? People will say, The other version of Kikongo, but just make it simple. Ngina and Zimbo. People, when you say Ngina and Zimbo, people know you're saying, I have money. Yes. He has money. Tata David.
Okay, you would say Wunaye Nzimbi.
Bravo, Wuna and Zimbo. Yes. If you want to be good at Congo, could say Nzimbo Ginazao and so on, but make it simple, easy. Wuna and Zimbo. We know you're saying he has money. We have money, Tata Adi.
Tuna and Zimbo.
Sorry again. Come back, yeah.
Is that Tuna and Zimbo?
Tuna, yeah. Be careful. We have two verbs
Tuna.
here. The main one, the one you see on the screen, is to be, verb to be, kala, but verb to have, kala ye.
Kala
So
ye.
I'm asking you a question. We have money.
Would that
No, you're fine. Go back, yeah. Tuna, yeah. Okay, I'll answer my question.
Tuna ye and Zimbo?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Tuna and Zimbu, yes. Yeah, Tuna and Zimbu. Yes. Question this one, Tata.
No question.
They have money.
Benaye and Zimbo?
Well, bravo, yes. Bena and Zimbu, yes. But Congo will be Zimbu Tunazao, Zimbu Yanazao. Don't worry about that. As long as we're fine with this version, I mean, simplified version, it should be okay. Yeah, to be, yeah. Now, just remember, Ngina, Una, yes. The pattern, Tata David, did you see that the suffix is na, yes?
Mm-hmm.
And this is the core verb. If you could say for core, this is the main pattern. And because Gina, Una, Tuna, Bena, Luna, na.
Yeah.
Are you okay with pattern?
Yes.
Good. Can I remove my screen then? Totally.
Yes.
You okay? Brave people, yeah, well done, yes. Let me try to remove my screen. Yes. We are fine. That I'm talking. Be careful. We almost same verb. It is not the same verb. Tuna, I am. Is to be. Tuna, to be. When I say to, tuna, yeah, to have. To. Sorry. Going back. I need to correct. I'm just helping you. The verb to be is kala. The verb to have is kala space ye. Is it clear? Yes?
Yes.
So if I say, how are you? Lunama Vimpie, Tata Audrey. I'm asking you.
But you want me to you want me to answer it or
Yes, please answer. I'm asking you, Lunama Vimpie, are you well? Yeah, answer Kikongo, yes.
would that be Kala?
You know your answer. You know answer. I'm sure you know answer because just instead keep in mind the na is your pattern. Yes, na. I'm asking you second. Lunama Vimpie. You just remember the two luba. It's your key. Then you go now.
So that wouldn't be the Bamboti tuna. That wouldn't be that one.
Yeah. Well, yeah, you done well. Yeah, you go extra mile. Lunama VP, Tunama VP. Yes.
Tuna no.
Tunama VP. Yes. Remember
yeah.
two is we. Two luba. Two Tunama VP. Yeah. That's Lunama VP.
Mm-hmm.
We are fine.
Yeah. Luna Mavimpi.
I'm asking you, Luna Mavimpi, you answered Tuna Mavimpi.
Tuna Mavimpi.
Yeah.
Tuna Mavimpi.
Yes, no, yeah. That that talent to you. Is she fine? Is she well? You answer positive, yeah. She's fine. She is fine. She's well.
Ve Unama Vimpi.
My question is, I'm
Oh,
asking you,
you're asking me.
You just, is he well? Is he fine? Ma vimpi kena?
So how do I answer that? Do I say Unama Vimpi?
Yes, bravo. Yes. Yeah, Wunama Vimpi. Yes. He is fine. He's well. Wunama Vimpi. Or if that option is a bit hard, Ma Vimpi Kena, yeah? But stick with the simple option.
Well, on the chart, why does it have like the Wambute Wuna or Kena? Because that's saying that you are she is well or she is fine.
Oh yeah. Oh no. You got me here. Yeah, you're fine. Yeah. You. I just want to. I didn't want you to focus on that column. It is fine.
Oh, okay.
I'm Botengina, but as long as you know you have your pattern, na. You know Ngina is the first, Una for second and third plural, then the Tuluba, you should be okay.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway, let's go back. Okay, let me go to your option. Wambote, yes, add Wambote, yes. Wambote for singular, Bambote, then your verb. Tetale, is she okay? Positive answers. She's fine.
Yeah.
Wambote.
Wambote Kena.
Yes. Yes. Bravo. Remember Wambote. That's why I didn't want to go that fast. Yeah, because Wambote Kena. You couldn't say Wambote Una. Yes. Are you with me?
Yes.
Don't say Wambote. Yeah. Wambote Kena. Okay, now Bambote for us. That Audi. We are fine using Bambote. Yes.
Wambote,
Bambote.
Bambote,
Remember
Wuna.
remember we two,
Oh, Bambote,
one Bambote,
Wambambote,
tuna.
Tuna.
Yes. Thank you very much. Tete David, they are fine. Using Bambote, yes.
Mm-hmm. I could say
Bambote, yes.
Bambote
Bena.
or Bana.
Yeah, in this case we say Bena. But Bambote Bena, yeah.
Bambote Bena.
Bambote, be careful.
Bambote Bena.
Wambote singular. Wambote singular.
Right.
Bambote,
Yeah, I forgot. Wambote, that's singular, and Bambote,
yeah.
yeah, that's plural.
Yeah. Let me just put display my screen. Yes, here we are. Yes. Wambotengina, me, Wambote una, wambote kena. Bambote tuna, bambote luna, bambote bena. Okay, wambote kwa mengina. Remember kwame, it is your emphatic theta, yes?
Mhm.
Wambote kwa mengina, but not here. Emphatic before the verb, yes? Yes.
You say Kwame first.
Yeah, usually emphatic is after your verb, yes? But
Okay.
wambote kwa mengina. Okay, I'm very well. Don't worry, I'm fine. Wambote kwa guna, wambote kwa andikena.
Can I ask a question?
Go ahead.
So what happens if you want to say it in a negative form? Then does that change?
Can you say it in English, please?
If you want to say it in a negative form, meaning like you want to say it like you know, like
He's not well.
yeah, he's not well, or I'm not well. Would it be kiwambote ngina kwamiko?
Let me try to, yeah. Let me try, yeah, good. Let me try to, I'm just trying to simplify it because it's very,
Okay.
you are there are people watching. I want to make it sure that, make sure to, you know, it's very hard to simplify that, David.
Yeah.
There's a scientist that said that, there's a philosopher. I mean, he said that unless you know your discipline, you can't simplify it, yes? Unless you understand your master your subject, your topic, you can't simplify it. It's very
Right.
hard task. Okay. Go back. Please come back. Please.
No. I just said like in the case that you're not. How would you say I'm not well? Will it be kiwambote ngina kwamiko, or will it be kiwambote kwame nginako?
Okay, good. Oh, no, let me just, yeah, you're almost there. Let me just try to make it for you. Kanginamboteko, yeah? Kanginamboteko. Yes. You got your no, sorry. Yes, wambote kwa mengina. Kanginamboteko. I can't simplify that.
No, that's okay. No, I think we can cover that next time.
Yeah.
We can't break it down, you know. Very hard. You get it.
Yeah. I hear you. There's another change we have to make on the way to saying I'm not well at all. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, let me try. I can't write down. Let's say let's call it ka. You K-A ko. Yes, Ale.
Is it ka and ko or ki and ko?
No, ka and ko. Kanginamboteko.
Okay.
Make sure you got your verbs, the main things of verb, yeah? Kangina, which is your color, yeah? Kangina. See the pattern negative is the same, theta dev, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Theta D. Kako, yeah? Theta D, remember?
Yes.
Negative, always the same. Kangina ko. Just remember kangina ko, but kangina mboteko, yes?
Yeah.
Basically, if you say Kanginako, basically mean I'm not, yes? I'm not what? Sorry. I'm not what with me. Okay. Kangina Mboteko. Is it clear?
Kangina Wambute.
Yeah. Kangina Wamboteko. Yeah. Yeah.
Komake.
Yeah, bro. Wow, good. Even better, yeah. Kangina Wamboteko. I mean, people could say that. Okay. Kangina Wamboteko. Yes. Well done. Yes.
Yep.
Okay. We're done for today almost. Yeah. Let me just go quick recap. Yeah. Kala, it's your to be. Kala, yeah.
To
Have. Remember, this is the main thing. The verb. The pattern is na. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Gina, which is na. Una, both present, second, third. Tuna, Luna, Bena. Yes. Question. Let's tell me.
No questions.
No, this
Thank
was
you.
good. It was good.
Thank you. Tetale. Question.
No questions. I will ask my question offline.
Okay. But basically, remember, the pattern is the same for negative. Kako, kanginako, yes? Okay. Ngina is your M. But let's say kanginako, I'm not. Let's say I'm not. But I'm not undefined, so I'm saying kangina wamboteko. Yes. Tutondele. Thank you very much for your time. We'll see you next Sunday. Yeah.
Yes.
Have a good week. When the gambote.
Sala Kiambote.
Sala
Sala
Kinembote.
Tutondele.
Kietu yangani kawa uko iwao bongole meso mwene isibudi matu uwidi ikonzo dienu